Guys, how are you all and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm just going to put a series of note making, and this video is gonna to be my first video of this note making, and I'm so much happy and glad to share with you guys. By the meanwhile, I'm just going to share how to take notes and whether notes is right or wrong, how to learn with comparative the notes, and how I just took my notes and all of the stuff. So let's dive into the video. Today I'm just going to share about Tamil Nadu notes, full of Tamil Nadu special like Tamil Nadu trade, agriculture, communication, climate changes, and environmental issues, all of this stuff. So please ignore the mistake what I just done in the notes, because this is the initial notes I just took. So there is some mess in it. Please ignore it. So this notes is something special to me. So I thought, why not we start this series from this notes. So this is the random view of my notes. So the resource of my notes is from Winmean. They had a complete notes of Tamil Nadu. So it may be help for TNPC students, because TNPC covers 90% of full of Tamil Nadu concept. So it may be help for you guys. If you are a person using the notes freshly or fresher, so it is much more difficult to adopt taking notes, and using the notes is just learning is something difficult, because I was the person I won't take any notes, but initially to adopt this as a habit is much more difficult for me, but still it helped me a lot. So you just try it out, guys. Notes is the only method which help you to learn fast as much possible, guys. This note speak about resource in Tamil Nadu. We had various resource like wind energy, tidal energy, and solar energy. So we used to discuss about which district is specialized in it and how to use it out, what is advantage and disadvantage, how many windmill are present in Tamil Nadu, all of the stuff. So move to next topic. The lesson of resource and industries of Tamil Nadu. So Tamil Nadu is the state is combination of more district, and each district had unique resources which is abundantly present in Tamil Nadu. So we are just discussing about these stuff and the industries, paper industry, mineral based industries, and all of the stuff, and also tidal energy, wind energy, biogas. So this is the basic topic just cover in this notes. This is Tamil Nadu agriculture, my favorite topic, and we should be well known about agriculture of Tamil Nadu, because we are basically from agriculture state. So we should be well known about agriculture and the pattern we should cultivate the grains or wheats, paddy, or else we should be well known about the specialized fruit we cultivate, and the river which flow through Tamil Nadu, and underground water table level, all of the stuff is. So these are the topic we used to discuss in this. Geography topic, Tamil Nadu geography, which is discussed about the urbanized cities and the population of the male, population of female, and city corporation, municipality, all of the stuff. So let's go to the random view of my notes. This is some view from disaster management notes. So I thought, why not we show some random views from each of the notes. So can you see it out? This is the view from pollution of Tamil Nadu. So Tamil Nadu pollution. So this view is from agriculture of Tamil Nadu. Also use the mind maps of a basic structure like tree structure. You may use it, or else you can draw the diagram in the notes. Like if you are seeing a brinjal, just draw the diagram of brinjal, the basic structure. Or else a mango fruit, just draw the diagram of mango fruit, which help you brain to attract towards it, which I done. To say that while taking your notes, make sure that you're just using color pens, color stick, or color lids, sticky pads, sticky note, highlighters, high pens, all of the stuff to make your brain attracted towards the studies, because your brain can't focus on one matter for a long period of time. So to make your brain attractive, just use these stuff. And also draw some diagrams to make your concept clear. Basic view from climate of Tamil Nadu notes. Random view from the notes of manufacturing and industries of Tamil Nadu. This is the notes from Tamil Nadu transport and communication. So as we are living in technology world, we should be known about the roadways, waterways, and communication, how we just communicating through the signals and all stuff. This is the last and the final notes I'm just going to show you. This is environmental issues. We had a lot of environmental issues like water pollution, air pollution, chemical changes, chemical pollutions, biotic pollutions, all of the stuff. So I'm just discussed about it and what is pollution and how to reduce it and what is advantage about it and what is disadvantage about it. All of the stuff is here. So that's it guys, that's about my Tamil Nadu notes. So see you guys in next video. Until I see you next, bye, tata, and take care.